This is John Award.
And I'm Jessila.
And we have a new friend.
And Mark Paul in the place to be, y'all.
All right.
All the way from Makati City.
Makati, and he's the hype man.
Wait and see, Bacolod.
So,
Mark Paul is coming.
We're gonna bring him to the party scene in Bacolod.
With his
yo,
guns.
Bacolod party people, I'll see you soon.
Oh my goodness!
With his guns. So
Wow.
dapat during program ng infantry, dapat ikaw ang mag-host.
Ako nga nag-host pag
Oh,
social.
see, kaya
Ay,
ganun.
sus, grabe no.
So we just met Paul,
we just met
and he
him.
likes onsen as much
Yeah.
as we do.
And we're here to do a vlog. Ang content ng vlog ko kasi is Ilonggo tutorial. So, para sa may mga partners na non-Ilonggo speaking who would like to
Okay.
learn
Oh, like
the
you.
language. Like you can be
And Paul also
one
has a
certain
YouTube
subscribers.
channel.
Do you have a girlfriend in
No.
Negros?
He's single,
Okay, he's single. He's
searching,
Not
searching.
waiting.
Searching.
for
searching
someone.
number one.
Waiting. Ano ang
For the
ano
right
single?
time.
What is single in Ilonggo? Soltero.
Soltero.
Soltero. Meaning single and haven't married yet.
No.
So you're definitely
burning.
single.
Napakainit.
I'm a single dad, but I'm a really...
At gwapo
Single.
si Paul,
Single.
gwapo. Oh. Meron
Soltero.
mga single na pangit
A certified soltero.
Ah.
There.
And that one over there, where are you? Where are you, Butch?
My old friend and Joan's new friend,
He doesn't look old, that old.
the associate member of UFC, the darling of the crowd.
All right, wow. So, Mr. Hype Man here.
Wala kaming
Wala sila. Oh.
kasi sa office lang naman ako. So pag weekend or after hours.
You see,
Pero
the Hype Man
lagi
here
kong kinukuha ng
is
gig
a
is
part-time
Friday,
DJ, but he's full-time as a military personnel.
Yeah.
Stationed here at the 303rd Infantry Battalion Brigade here at Morsha. Hey, my uncle used to be the
Regular
commander
naman,
here.
8 to 5 pag office.
Hello, so
This is
on
good.
March 22, we will be opening Bagani, the very first LGBT community center in the province of Negros.
All right.
On the 22nd, we will have our special guest, Catriona Gray, together with the governor of Negros and
Wow.
4 mayors and the congressman.
Oh my
so I hope to
goodness.
see you there. It's at 6th
See you
Street
there.
at the NEDF building.
All right. For
See you
our
there.
Ilonggo
Bagani.
tutorial, Bagani means
Hero.
oh, hero. All right. So are you joining us, Paul?
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Who knows you and Catriona?
there goes my short vlog, and we're very happy that we've met. Nakilala. Nakilala namin in Tagalog.
Hindi siya mahuloy-on.
Okay, he's not shy.
Hindi siya
Alright.
mahiyain.
Mahiyain, mahuloy-on, huya.
Expose ako sa tao.
Parang kami
Alright,
ba
so
nahihiyain?
he also got his YouTube channel and
Makpol, the hype man. Makpol, Lakandula.
ang
Oh, lakandula. Kasama ng mga bagani.
haba naman. So, lakandula means, ano ba meaning ng lakandula? Kasi hindi kami Tagalog.
Ano yun yung meaning ng Lakandula kasi siya yung first rana na convert into Christian. Battle of Tondo.
Okay, wow. So
Kaya
we've
pala.
learned something new.
That pertains to his military
The first
background.
Christianized native from Tondo.
Filipino native.
Filipino native, yeah, Lakandula. And he became Christian. So what was his Christian name, if he had any?
I don't know.
Basta Lakandula pa rin.
Basta alam ko lang magtropa sila ni Dato Puti.
Kung si
Really?
Dato Puti ay suka,
Yeah.
siya ay pati.
Magka-tribe sila ni Dato Puti. Si Dato Puti is totoo. Hindi
Totoo
lang siya
siya.
suka talaga.
Okay.
Meron
Akala
may
ko-
Dato Puti talaga.
How about Raja Sulaiman? Have
Raha
they met?
Sulaiman?
Raha Sulaiman? So hindi sila pareho ng timeline.
Mainit!
They haven't met.
History.
All right, this is John of Art, and see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.